Why Formula One and why Mercedes?
Just have a great admiration for a fantastic engineering company that's been very much at the top of its game. Oh, remarkable. It's very exciting, really. Sometimes when these cars are flashing by, it's quite difficult to distinguish one from another. This will be quite distinguishable. I happened to go to Barcelona to testing last year, and I met the drivers, both of them, Valtteri and Lewis. And then following that, I picked up with Toto and we got on quite well.
Then we got to know each other. He came to visit us in Brackley and we had a fantastic understanding immediately. What I see within INEOS and Jim's partners and his senior management is that we share common values. Once that happens, everything else comes easy.
And then it matured from that. They've got involved in our America's Cup Challenge with some of their quite a bunch of their technical people, and that's making a big, big difference.
It shows the strengths of the brand and the appeal of Formula One. Attracting INEOS and Jim and his partners into Formula One is, I think, a great moment for the team and a very good moment for Formula One overall.
So, new sponsor in the new season. What can we expect this season from Mercedes Formula One?
You mustn't ever have a sense of entitlement of winning. I think every season you need to prove that you're competitive. That means being there, trying to win races, and if you're able to win races, be as faultless as possible in your execution in order to compete for a championship.
And can we expect any more sport news in 2020?
No, I think that's probably enough.